What do you want to be when you grow up?
Is it terrifying?
No, I don't think so. It's the way it is, you know. Everything must come to an end. The drip finally stops.
See you on the other side.
Oh, Bojack, no. There is no other side. This is it.
This dream isn't feeling sweet, we're reeling through the midnight streets, and I've never felt more alone. Feels so scary getting old. This dream isn't feeling sweet, we're reeling through the midnight streets, and I've never felt more alone. Feels so scary getting old.
Hello, hi, Sir Ginukod. So first of all, congratulations kasi graduate na kayo. Graduate na kayo as of the moment. So first of all, actually hindi ko kayo kilala bilang Hyacinth, Albert, Martin, kung ano pang section. Kilala ko kayo as BJML, lalo yung mga nahawakang STEM. First of all, mamimiss ko kayo, mamimiss namin kayo mga teachers, yung mga grade 11 and grade 12. Kayo yung panganay ko sa senior high, kayo yung unang mga batch na hinawakan ko sa senior high. So, isa kayo sa mga memories na talagang babaunin ko. Hindi lang kasi kayo yung, sa totoo lang, yung tumatak. I mean, hindi lang yung year ninyo yung memorable para sa inyo, kundi para rin sa akin, napaka-memorable yon. Sana hindi nyo makalimutan yung mga pag-gimmick ni Sir, yung mga pag-trip ni Sir sa inyo, yung mga Game of Thrones, kung ano-anong laro. And sana, pagdating ng araw, pag professional na kayo, makatagpo ko ulit kayo, and at the same time, sana pursue nyo yung mga professions na related sa science, kasi parang ang laking pride sa akin nun if ever na ganun yung gawin ninyo. So congratulations and good luck for your college life. So yun lang. Bye!
How do I start? I came to St. James last year, and you were my first section that I taught in senior high school. Very nostalgic for me because it was an entire year after that time, and now you're going to graduate. I have nothing else to say but good luck. I know you are an entire bunch of talented people. By college, I know a lot of you will have your own different paths. And I wish all of you will stick together throughout those times kahit na hindi na kayo sa St. James nag-aaral. Good luck and happy graduation to everyone. I hope to meet you all. When you visit, I'm here with the rest of your other teachers. We hope you come back.
Gagraduate na kayo. Nalagpasan ninyo yung 2 years na puno ng research, SIP, projects, assignments, quizzes, at kung ano-ano pa. And sa 2 years na nakilala ko kayo, kayo yung tipo ng mga bata na consistent pagdating sa pagiging masayahin, pagiging makulit, and pagiging excellent pagdating sa mga contest. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung consistency sa pagpapakita niyo ng pagmamahal sa akin, sa isa't isa, and syempre pati na rin kay Sir Jess. So, nawa, matupad matupad ninyo yung inyong mga goals sa buhay. And syempre, bisitahin nyo pa rin kami. Lagi pa rin kayo sanang mga musta. Hindi naman kailangan palagi, pero kamustahin nyo pa rin sana kami. Bisita kayo dito sa school. And wish ko din na sana malagpasan nyo naman yung college life ninyo. So, lagi lang naman kami nandito mga teachers ninyo. Ako bilang former advisor ninyo and the subject teacher ninyo. Pwede kayong mag-message sa amin. Lagi lang kami nandito. And see you sa graduation. Sabi ni Temple, paiyakin ko daw kayo, pero doon yun naman ako. Medyo may pagka, minsan walang emosyon. Sabi nga ng isa kong advisory na grade 11, nonchalant daw, pero parang hindi naman. So, see you again sa graduation ninyo, and good luck and God bless you. Bye-bye!
Hi everyone! Hi St. Hyacinth and dating BJMS. So it was really a good school year. Actually, 2 school years with you, and I really enjoyed being your subject teacher. But una, gusto ko muna mag-reminisce sa unang araw ko sa inyo. Remember this room? So the first time I walked in your classroom, I was a bit nervous kasi you're all senior high school students. Pero nung nakita ko yung mga pagbumukha ninyo, yung mga face ninyo, I feel comforted kasi I feel this kind of connection with you. Although yung unang part natin, unang subject, for them, hindi ko kayo ganun ka-close. But later on, doon na nagkaroon na tayo ng mga number 2, Genevieve. Anyway, si Sir Gino po din nag-video ngayon. Ayan, yeah, speaking of Sir Gino po, I remember kung paano ninyo kami asaling dalawa. Kung paano...
Tigilan niyo yan.
Yeah, tigilan na ninyo. Kasi platonic friendship lang. Pero yun na, thank you so much, BJMM, sa time na spend natin together. And dahil sa inyo, na-enjoy ko talaga ang in-classroom teaching. Kasi naman tayo, mag-grateful tayo. Stop mo. Hi! So yan nga, grade 12 na kayo at St. Hyacinth. You know what, I'm really, really looking forward na kayo yung maging, model section this time. Kasi grade 12 na kayo, graduating na kayo. Kaya parang every time na gagawa kayo ng mga performances ninyo, I was really looking forward to every performances that you're gonna have. And kung pwede lang parang talagang maging stage mother ako sa inyo. Kaya I was like a mother figure sa inyo. Pero I hope that you really felt that with how I deliver my lessons, with how I ask the things that are going on around in your section. And I still remember the time na pumasok ako dito, tapos nakita ko yung pagbubukha ni John Mark. Tapos bisit ako sa pagbubukha niya. Pero at the same time, parang it's a bit of a reminder how genuine my connection with you sa klase ninyo and to the whole section itself. So, thank you so much, BJMN and Hyacinth, for a very good experience. And just so you know, I was always looking forward to going to the classroom. And I hope that in all your endeavors in life, you will win. But if you do not, siyempre may mga bagay or pagkakataon na hindi tayo mananalo, but that doesn't make you a loser. So, fighting in your college life, I'm always here for you. Goodbye!
So this is it, my BJMM, my Hyacinth. Honestly speaking, I feared that this day would come. Our 4th quarter flew by so fast that I don't think we even had the time to realize that we only had a few weeks left with each other. We may be so used to each other's faces now, but there was a time where I never expected that I'd be able to form a bond like this with people like you. At the start of grade 11, I saw the list of my classmates. And yes, aaminin ko at first, it was disappointing. Walang familiar names, walang nakasanayan. And I know that it was a common experience for a lot of us. But once our first week of school started, I've told you guys this before. I had one goal and one goal only. I wanted to prove that our section was more than capable and that we could go beyond of what people expected from us. Because if we're being honest, a lot of odds were already against us. But still, we showed up every single time. It started as a big dream, but looking at us now, we actually did it. Not because it was easy, but because we didn't give up on each other. The endless puyats, pagod, gastos, yung practices sa bahay ko, the pressure, the doubts, the times na parang hindi na natin kakayanin. It may seem small now, but back then, it really meant everything. Because that's where we saw kung gaano tayo katatag. I'll miss the artistry of Harley, Evita, and Aiko na lagi nating maaasahan sa props. Yung talino ni Kirsten at Joanna. The big, small three, Silex, Cassie, and Ia. Ang naipanala nating SEC President na si Sam. Si Arvin, na paborito ng lahat kahit iritang-irita na siya sa atin. Our technicals, George, Kian, Cyrus, and Gab. Si Kent, our ever-reliable secretary. Si Miggy, who never fails to greet each and every one of us every single day. Si Julian, our malajing nas gumalaw na girly cat. Si Mayumi and Belle, our best dancers. And of course, ang mga munggo, Chino, JM, Marshall, Riz, Keith, Joseph, Darius at Kenshin, na ang gagaling nga namang sumubo ng ice cream. And to everyone else, I'll always remember how each of you found your own way to shine. Kung paano nyo pinakita na kahit iba-iba tayo, we all had a place here. I know I haven't been the best or the most consistent president. May mga araw na napagod din ako. May mga pagkakataon na hindi ko na rin alam kung tama pa ba yung ginagawa ko. But even then, I still chose to show up. For you and for us. Even when it was hard, and even when I had my own battles to deal with. Because this section was always worth it. And if there's one thing I'm proud of, it's that we never let each other go through things alone. And everything I did for our section, I did with all of my heart. And now, this is it, the end of our chapter. But we all know this isn't the end of everything. Always remember, we still have so many pages left in our story. So please, don't let this graduation be the last time that we choose each other. I had the choice to be homeschooled, to choose comfort, to choose what was easier for me. And you all had the choice to go somewhere else for your senior high. But I will never regret choosing this path, because each and every one of you made the struggle worth it. You gave me another chance to experience high school life. And that's something I'll always be grateful for. I love you, my grade 12s and Tyson. Lagit lagi, ipaglalaban ko kayo. Sincerely, Debs.